Hello everybody, my name is Vanchai. Today I'm gonna try two different types of broad noodles. One is a non-spiciness, the other one is the spiciness. This is a non-spiciness. And you guys all know, if you guys haven't never know, I am not a spiciness person lovers. And this might be my number one. But hey, some of you guys love the pain and spiciness, and I don't. But the second one is the same thing. The same broad noodles but with the spiciness, but I bet it's gonna taste a little bit different but a little bit pain. And you guys know how this is gonna make. First you add the boiled water and put in microwave maybe around 5 minutes or 6 minutes until the noodle is very thick. Once it's very thick, you add all the ingredients inside and mix. And by the way, I forgot to tell you guys, warning, this is very biggest news you guys have to listening. Do not put all the ingredients with the water. Put all the water out. Just leave all the noodles and put all the ingredients inside because that is gonna be very tasty. Now you guys know how to make a broad noodles, and now those two looks quite different. One look like yummy, the other look like I'm gonna die. First I can taste non-spiciness. This is a non-spiciness, and I have to say it looks, I don't know if you guys can see, but it looks pretty yummy. It looks like orange. It smells like peanut butter. If you guys don't know what it tastes like a peanut butter, that's what it smells like. But does it taste good? Not spicy then? I go taste. It tastes peanut butter, very good. But the noodle is so soft. It's perfect temperature. It's not too hot, but I love the tester. The tester is so good. I love it. My god, the tester is so good. Oh my god, you guys should try. I would recommend this. But let's go try the spiciness. It looks dainty. I had to say, it looks very dainty. Am I gonna die? So this is the spiciness, and I want to let you guys see. Look. You guys see the reddish? I don't know if you guys can see it, but man, I can smell. I can smell something's not very good. Like, I don't know the smell, but it's not smell very good. But the taste, am I gonna die? First, let me pray first. Please, Lord, I don't want to die for this day. Let me live for the next day. Here we go. I pray. Oh my God! Look at that. I have to say, it tastes very. Sorry, my mouth starts to feel a bit tingling of the spiciness. I have to say, it tastes like soy sauce, but it's not like soy sauce, but it's a little bit different. The aftertaste, it tastes like the smell of batters. That's what it tastes like. But overall, I don't really like it. I do not like the spiciness noodle. Not at all. Not a biggest fan. But hey, I know some of you guys love it, the taste. Go for it and try for one for yourself. Hey guys, you want to know where I got this thing from? I got from the Asian market. It's in Oroville, and I will set the link below if you guys really want to go and try it for yourself. For me, I would recommend you guys to try the non-spicy noodle because this tastes way much better than the spicy one, because the spicy one tastes so better and almost like soy sauce, but afterward taste, oh my god, I can feel the batter inside my throat. Not very good. The non-spiciness is, to me, is the winners. If you guys don't trust me, go buy it for yourself, and trust me, it's a lot hecka good. And I hope you guys enjoy these videos, and I hope I provide 2 broad noodles. I know some of you guys never seen before, eat before. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys love it, please subscribe to my channels and click me a like and share the videos to your friend, everybody. See you guys the next round. Peace.
Started as a whisper, message from a new